to her, John.
I don't know what to think about this camera.
Huh?
So she just don't know what to think about the camera.
Well, talk to her. She'll come over to you. Call her.
Yeah. Come here. If she gets too close, I won't be able to film.
I don't know. Your Aunt Janie gets Jennifer, and she comes right up to it.
Hello, Mom.
Hello, John. Are you happy today?
Yes.
Well, me too. We got us a camera.
Mm-hmm.
Now we can send our movie film over to Aunt Janie.
There you go.
Yeah, she'll be thrilled to death.
They'll get to see what we did.
Yeah, there. That'll be good.
Okay, turn it off.
She knows there's something going on.
There's a little bit more upheaval in the work before things calm down a little bit.
He's come.
And
That's my baby.
Right around the corner, and he'd be
That's
over
Lady
by the end
Emerald.
of the year.
And she's just, tomorrow it'll be, no. Yesterday she had a hysterectomy a week ago. And as you can see, she's bounced right back. She's showing out, showing what she can do. And the living room's a mess, but that's because of all these boxes and things for the camera. They came in there. It's gonna be fun. She's gonna be the first thing on there. Shame we didn't have it when she was a kid.
Mm-hmm.
She's an old lady now with a hysterectomy.
Alright. We're experimenting here.
Yeah.
There's the date.
Yeah, I'm getting a little brush in here on her back. She likes it most of the time. Sometimes she doesn't. When she gets tired of it, she grabs hold of the brush in her mouth and tries to pull it away from her. Feel good? Yes. Good. Yeah. Oh, wow. Look at them. Yeah, them mommy sweet baby. Yeah. John love this. She do. You get tired of it? Feel it. Ooh. I'm here.
Alright. This is the decorate the tree crowd.
Yay! We're all here. That's bright.
Can you see better now?
Yep. Got everybody in there.
Are we supposed to move?
Are we ready? You're supposed to say who they are.
Hi.
Oh, this is them.
Oh, does it has audio too?
Yeah, you sitting on a microphone sitting on the end of it.
Really?
Yeah.
That's Mike.
That's Mike in the red shirt there. That's Janet.
Janet.
Janet in the white shirt. That's Darlene with all the curls.
I'm multicolored today. Purple.
We're ready to
Decorate. Let's go.
That's Mom.
Come on, guys.
Whoops.
I'm not supposed to do any smoking. Well, we got to do this part
And-
first, Darlene.
This is me.
Oh, you want me to get you? Let me show me what to do, John.
Okay.
It's got record on it. It's supposed to say record?
Okay, now you want where you want the chair at? In there?
This is the top.
Well, just leave it there and just set the tree up in the middle. Remember now, you'll have to lay the things out.
Here's the part.
Yeah, but
Okay, there you go.
Just throw those on the floor.
Come on, baby. You have to get it.
This is a new crew.
yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna do ladies like that.
Smallest to biggest.
Of all these years, this is the first
Huh?
Christmas tree decorating that I've ever
Oh, really,
had a
Mike?
chance to participate.
Oh,
Me
well,
too. This
thank
is the first
you.
one. And I'm honored. I'm very
I get an
pleased.
invitation every year, but I just never be around. You know?
You mean you've never decorated a tree? Ah, well, I'm glad. If this is your first, Mike, I'm glad it's at my place. You too,
My
Darlene.
first too, and I'm glad to be here.
I'm glad you're here.
Thank you.
Y'all realize you're gonna be on television and everything.
Oh, we're movie stars.
Yeah, in fact, this is better than Rich's.
The snow would be burning
It's nice
cake.
to finally meet you, Marilyn.
John, turn the TV off. See, because you can't hear. Remember, I was fussing because Aunt Jane and them would have their TV on and you couldn't hear what they were saying. Okay, now y'all talk. I should go upstairs and get my Christmas music.
That's short.
We're working down the short.
No. There should be. He's got a handful of longer ones. Live.
Okay. Yeah, there's no hogging the log.
And folks dressed up like Eskimos. Everybody knows.
Well, y'all sing with him.
Turkey
And the mistletoe.
That's a good song. I ain't singing.
like the season bright. Tiny tots with their eyes all aglow. We'll find it hard to sleep tonight. They know that Santa's on his way.
We need some mistletoe.
He's
Wait a minute,
bringing lots of tots and goodies on his sleigh.
I forgot Mike sang.
Mother's child.
I've never heard you sing, Mike. You got a nice voice. Yeah.
You have a beautiful voice.
Really knows how to fly.
You're just jealous, John.
And so I'm operating a simple
Water's not loud
phrase.
enough.
That's the top.
Kids from 1 to 92.
And here's some little baby ones too.
Though it has been said many times, many ways.
Where did M go?
Merry Christmas to you.
Yay.
That was real good, Mike.
Got my kid. He can take care of the thing that goes on top.
Mhm.
This is a flop.
Y'all know what? This thing's fine.
Speak up, Jen.
That thing's fine.
We want to hear falling, not fall in.
In the process of.
What's that on the floor?
Remember the one in Alaska that fell over while we were all in bed? It
Okay,
was
then
a.
Janet, quit ripping your stuff out of your hair.
I'm not.
Remember that one in Alaska that fell over?
Oh, yeah.
Thank you.
Fully decorated.
We're all looking Christmassy, right?
Mm-hmm.
Except for Mike, he lost it. Get me some.
Hmm.
Having fun, huh?
Yeah. I love to watch people work.
Oh, this one. The whole one too.
Look at that.
By the time we get
Is
everything
it
on,
take and shake?
Yep.
Yeah.
Is it-
Oh.
Is there a hole up there?
Right?
Yay.
That does look like a tree.
Yeah.
You gotta shake this one. Move that up or something.
We got Kamal's Miracle of Christmas. And you talk about a beautiful voice, but this man has got a beautiful voice. You ever heard of him? Then we got Kenny Rogers. Kenny Rogers and Dolly
Who
Parton.
sings that Jingle Bell Rock?
Christmas
Oh,
sing-along
Kenny
with...
Rogers.
We got Christmas sing-along with Mitch Miller and the gang.
I like Kenny.
How about Johnny Mathis?
That
Oh,
sounds good.
that's great.
Oh, I love Johnny Mathis one all time.
Next up, Mike.
You know? What do you say, John?
Yeah.
Like snacks?
Yeah. And then you put your little pencil, the little
Yeah, we got
blue stuff.
Mhm.
And then you put your icicles, and then you put your, or you put your armor, then your icicles.
That looks good. It's in good shape, this kid is. You do go for it, John.
That's Jingle Bell Rock.
Janet got a request.
Should we move this over?
Where do you want your tree at?
Well, leave right here for a minute because we got to put the lights on. And I'd rather be where we could get all around.
Yeah, to walk all the way around. What's in that bag? That's more of a tree?
No, that goes, twists around.
Oh, okay.
John?
What we? Can.
I guess I'll.
Hey, John.
Yes.
She didn't catch one.
Oh, she was scared to
What
death.
happened?
She
Saw
just
me
went
coming with that chair.
And it
scared
scared
her.
her to death.
She did what now?
She saw me
She
coming
jumped
with
up
that
there.
chair and it scared her.
Yeah.
She took off.
She. You got the nice colored ones.
The
Guys are doing a nice job.
That strand needs to go all the way down.
Why'd you forget about
Because it's the non
reposition?
and you need the blanket all over too.
Let's
Let's tell them.
We'll supervise while you guys do.
A little bit to the right.
Tell us that when somebody's scratching your back.
Right. He does a good job.
Does it? John, how much you charge?
Good
Pretty
girl.
Help us find that light.
Oh, this is
Do you like it?
Is that it? Did you put that one back in? I'm just having trouble putting it back in there. Well, maybe it needs to sit here where it tips. I haven't seen.
No, just
You can zoom in on these people. Yeah.
I put this
now.
one here. See, each, but
Thank you.
each
Whoa.
color has a flasher. So I can't understand why. Each different color bunch has a flasher.
Okay. It's coming right along. Alright, y'all have at it.
Yeah, this is Minnie. Aw, Minnie Mary Mouse. Those little boys are probably old men now. That thing is so old. What you doing?
I'm filming the bulbs.
Some in the what?
The bulbs. Them things in the box.
Oh, okay.
Darlene.
Check it out. Got little feet underneath it.
And that's
Think about this camera, we'll zoom in on something.
Always so
I didn't know how to do this.
Yeah.
Isn't that precious? You gotta go back down to 8 Claris and take those things ain't changed. Figures you forgot.
Yeah.
You know, talking to
Uh-huh.
Yeah, yeah. Probably they've got
Hold it up, darling.
I got some more hooks, but in the young get them.
I just laid it set right
Okay, yeah, I got one here. And my sister made that.
I heard she used my Macy.
Isn't that cute?
Little mouse.
Looks like
A
John.
whole bunch of homemade ornaments I never seen.
Say what?
Look. It's got little feet that go back and forth. That's how that other one is. Yeah. Is this your buddy John?
What?
Your baby boo.
Oh, yeah. I was born with real small feet.
Oh, that was better. You don't play?
Don't break it, it'll be on film forever.
No, don't break it. Sure, I'll be pleased. I can't find the hooks that I bought last year. You want to have that one?
I need a little one.
Well, there's some down in there.
Once you get to the bottom, you'll find all the
Yeah.
ones that got lost.
Now, see, those are really old.
Or the back down.
Yeah, Mom, this side over here needs to come down and,
The bottom needs to come down.
yeah.
Yeah. Down in that area.
Come on out, Mike.
Come on, sit down.
How's the living over there? What do you think? Better? Worse?
Yeah.
Where's the angel put her on there? I gave her
Ready?
to you.
Are we ready for it?
We ready?
Do the honors.
Okay, tall guy.
Did I say if you reach for me?
Yep, ladies, hold on, Mike. Mom. Okay.
Why'd you get up on the step? You're gonna have to hold the tray. Don't you know that?
Very nice. Straighten her out.
How's that look?
Oh, he looks perfect there. That's a good spot. You did good, Janet.
Like a Santa Claus sitting down on bike.
Yeah. Well, now you know what somebody's got to do. It's two of y'all. Slide it back in the corner. With kind of get it this way, so that angel will be coming out this button. Now we need icicles. We'll be finished. And then I'll get an old sheet and put around the bottom. And then tomorrow, I'll get the rest of the
Well,
stuff and put
baby.
it.
Got a disco bell here.
Little spotlight put on there.
Smile, Janet.
Betty, Jim, come on over to the piano. Everybody gather around, take your seats and all sit down. When I start to sing this song, then you follow right along. Is this not a Christmas tree?
Yes, this is a Christmas tree.
Is the weather candy free? Oh, yes, always candy free.
Yeah, that's a
Candy free.
Christmas tree.
Oh, what a happy Christmas party. What a Merry Christmas tree.
Y'all
You got the idea right away. Here's another question.
All right, let's do
Are
icicles.
not all these presents?
Here's that little
Everybody-
bag.